Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that issue. Issue is that when you're just connecting your with your app store and saying that it's usually occur and the connection errors and something is loading and not opening of the app store. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just simply just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Just simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So many users facing issue because they connect with any VPN. So that's why they're getting the issue of the connecting with the App Store. So make sure that your VPN is not connected. After that, just go to general section and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection to update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone. After updating the latest iOS version, just scroll it down and it's going to the transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing that, just go back again back and just force restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just turn off your iPhone and again on it. After on, just go to the App Store and try to connect with your App Store and log in with your Apple ID and check that it's working. So it's working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.